Puerto Rico. Qué lindo y bello, hermoso lugar, mi gente. Hello my friends, what's up? How you doing? It's your boy Pedro, you know me, El Jibalito Explorador. Here we are, but actually it's nighttime in Cataño, Puerto Rico, just having a great time, a blast and fun. I just want to show you this area of Cataño, and it's a little place I really love to actually come and just have fun and hang around, so let's show you. So, as you can see, this is part of the coast of Cataño, Puerto Rico, and yep, there's my car by there, produced by Mitsubishi Motors. So I can clearly see the camera. But moving on, as you can see, it's this little bay right here. Yeah, we got the Korean here, Mitsubishi Mario Brothers. Yep, representing Pennsylvania. Moving on, you're actually gonna see this palmas de coco or palm trees. Oh, check it out! Look, there's a boat moving towards. Mira, mami, el bote, el bote. And if you actually come, there's some stuff for the fish, like a place to sit. And I want to show you this. Yep. Yeah, it's a great and amazing view. And there we have a boat. But it's just so amazing. Wow, it's just so great. And if you see on the other side, you're gonna see Isla Grande, the place where the boats actually station at. And if you see on that side right here, you're gonna see the old San Juan. What a great and great view, my friends. Well, I ain't got no more time to tell you, so I hope you actually like this view. It's a great place. You can actually just park your car and just have fun. So take care, my friends. God bless you and keep exploring Puerto Rico. Y venga para Cataño a pasarle un buen tiempo, mi gente.